Today we'll learn how to add and subtract mixed fractions. Let's start with an example of adding two mixed fractions. Let's add 2 3/4 plus 1 and 1/2. The first step is to convert these mixed numbers to improper fractions. For 2 3/4, we multiply the whole number 2 by the denominator 4 and add the numerator 3. So that's 2 times 4, which is 8, plus 3, which equals 11. Then we put 11 over the denominator 4. For 1 and 1/2, we multiply 1 by 2 and add 1. That's 2 plus 1 equals 3 over 2. Now we need a common denominator. The denominators are 4 and 2. The least common denominator is 4. So we need to convert 3 halves to an equivalent fraction with denominator 4. To convert 3 halves to an equivalent fraction with denominator 4, we multiply both top and bottom by 2. This gives us 6/4. Now we can add the fractions. 11/4 plus 6/4 equals 17/4. Finally, let's convert 17/4 back to a mixed number. 17 divided by 4 equals 4, with remainder 1. Therefore, our final answer is 4 and 1/4. Now, let's try a subtraction example. Let's subtract 1 3/5 from 3 2/3. First, let's convert 3 2/3 to an improper fraction. 3 times 3 is 9, plus 2 is 11, over 3. Next, let's convert 1 3/5. 1 times 5 is 5, plus 3 is 8, over 5. The denominators are 3 and 5. The least common denominator is 15. Let's convert both fractions to equivalent fractions with denominator 15. 11/3 times 5 over 5 equals 55/15. 8/5 times 3 over 3 equals 24/15. Now we can subtract. 55/15 minus 24/15 equals 31/15. Finally, let's convert 31/15 to a mixed number. 31 divided by 15 equals 2, with remainder 1. Therefore, our final answer is 2 and 1/15. Remember the key steps. First, convert mixed numbers to improper fractions, then find a common denominator, convert to equivalent fractions if needed, add or subtract, and finally convert back to a mixed number if necessary.